Marico is a leading consumer products company. It has created a high-trust, high-performance culture and has sustained it over the years. Our members continuously strive to do good, act better, and make a difference in the lives of its stakeholders. At Marico, you are not an employee, but a member. You are encouraged to write the growth story of the company, challenge the status quo, and spur innovation in an environment that is built on the foundation of complete trust and empowerment. We trust our members. We believe our members are responsible and accountable to deliver quality output, and we provide them with complete flexibility to plan their work schedule. So, we don't maintain any attendance registers or measure the hours of work our members put in.
After working for several MNCs, I can rightly say that Marico is the company which gives you complete empowerment so that you don't work just as an employee, you work as an owner, because that's the way you can bring growth for the company and for yourself.
As a Marico member, we have a lot of flexibility in terms of working hours. There's more focus on the quality of work rather than the number of hours spent in office. This helps us plan things in advance and according to our convenience, and this helps us provide a great work-life balance.
The entrepreneurial culture here fosters commitment and personal responsibility.
At Marico, we design our practices to create a future-ready workplace. We understand that we lead action-packed lives driven by technology every second. So, we have introduced practices which are relevant to today's work environment. Our initiative, My Day, allows our members to plan one day a month based on their priorities.
At Marico, we have a unique concept of My Day, where we don't schedule meetings with anyone. It's a day especially dedicated to myself rather than my routine work. I focus on learning something new, being creative, and organizing my work, making it more productive. And that's how this day is special.
We have come up with Disconnect to Connect at Marico to foster productivity in our meetings.
Disconnect to Connect has been introduced to make meetings more productive by keeping ourselves away from the devices during the meetings to become more mindful during the discussion. We have a mobile phone holder kept in most of our meeting rooms where all of us keep our mobile phones before the meeting starts, and not to forget on silent mode. It's a great way for devices detox and improves the effectiveness of our meetings.
Members can use Facebook at work through our internal social networking platform is called Workplace. It facilitates internal communications, collaborations, and member interactions. It has helped members develop a sense of deeper connect and emotional bonding with the organization. For us, experience comes foremost. We believe in creating valuable experiences for members. Our recognitions are experiential and stay with our members to cherish forever. We have developed artificial intelligence based on chatbots which provide members with enhanced experience and instant feedback. Casper is our personal assistant bot for policy information on the go. Parenthood is a special phase in the life of our members. We strive to provide an enabling and supportive environment to new parents. Our guidelines have been designed to empower both male and female members with choices to experience the joy of parenthood while integrating their careers more effectively.
Hi, I'm Himangi. I've spent more than 7 years with Marico. Being a mother of two, I've had the privilege of being with Marico, who supported me immensely throughout both of my maternities.
Our wellness package at Marico makes a difference to new parents' lives by taking care of expenditures on a variety of purposes which help them progress to a healthy lifestyle and good parenting. At Marico, we are cognizant to the fact that individuals bring their whole selves to work, their talents, skills, as well as their fears and emotions. We have dedicated programs aimed at overall well-being of members. We pick up contemporary issues around wellness and design programs to enable members to lead a stress-free life and increase their coping mechanism. Our hangout area allows members to drop in any time to relax and have some quick refreshments free of cost. Colleagues can have a freshly drills at foosball or table tennis, or just can choose to sip on their coffee while playing carom. We stand as one and we celebrate together, be it an event, picnic, birthdays or success. Physical well-being of our members is our mantra. Members can participate in on-the-go programs to improve their physical fitness. Some of our enabling programs are Yoga by the Bay, nutrition consultations, health checkups or participation in marathons. Members avail our in-house gym facility and fresh and customized food in our canteen. We have first in the country oats and soups vending machine to pick healthy snacks on the go. If our member wants to catch up on reading, watching motivational movies and documentaries, listening to music and inspiring business pep talks, they can turn to Quench, our on-the-go app. Here, members have multiple avenues to maximize their potential through enriching learning. Personal development planning is a platform for members and supervisors to have open and transparent conversations on career aspirations, skills, and capabilities. iLearn is a self-paced learning management system. Young Board is a cross-functional group that promotes accelerated learning for new leaders. It constitutes 8 to 10 members from cross-functional teams who get promoted to the leadership team and pursue bigger initiatives which impact the organization at large. We partner with other organizations through our initiative Accelerate. It provides our members with the opportunity to broaden their learning in a new work environment and build an outside-in perspective. All of these have enabled Marico's transformational journey and make its mark. Be it industry benchmark processes or innovative brands, it was impossible without our members, our people. It was impossible without you. Come and experience it.